In this video, I'll teach you about text area and how to successfully implement it. So keep watching. A text area is a reserved space where a user can type, and it is usually a multi-line text entry, basically used for providing any long text. So let's see how can we implement this simple text area, and other associated method remains the same, just like that of a text field. You can change its color, font, etc. using those previous methods. So guys, initially I got this code. I would like to give it a run and see the output. So if I try running this code, you get this simple window with a single label that says type your email. But since we don't have any option to basically type our email, so for that purpose I would like to have a text area right below this label, so that it can allow me to type something at least. So let's get started and create our text area. So for that, you're supposed to import QPlain text edit class, and after that you can create as many instances you want. So I just need a single text entry. So text area, I'll call it QPlain text edit, and inside of the parentheses you can specify the parent value, so parent equals to window, and that's it. Yep. And to talk about its size, I mean, if you kind of if you place that this right here on your app, so it won't look good. I mean, because you didn't specify its size. So in order to specify the size for your text area, you can use the resize built-in method, text area.resize, and here you can basically provide values for width and height. So let's go with 300 and I'll keep it suppose 130. And since I specified my size for the text area, I can basically place that into a specific spot. So let's go with 10. I'll keep it 40. So that's it. I would like to give it a run and see the final output. So guys, this looks amazing. As you can see, I got a multi-line entry where you can type anything you want. But here's a problem, and that is this entry is not just covering the entire window. So I would like to increase its width and also its height a little bit. So let's play with these values. And for the width, I'll keep it 380 and 140 maybe. So let me give it a run. Guys, it looks cool, but still I want to increase its height. So let's give it another shot. I'll keep it 145, and for this one, okay, try 145, might look cool. So let me run it, and guys, it looks perfect. Here I got my text area and it looks amazing. Here you can type your email. So now I got the option to type something here at least. So that was all for now. You can also apply those associated methods like that of a normal text field, like changing its color, setting a new font for your text area, its size, and so on. So basically you can apply those methods, and definitely they're gonna work with the text area as well. So go ahead and explore those methods, work with those methods in terms of text area. So that was all for now. I hope you guys learned something from this video. So I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.